Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 things you can do for optimum gut health. Our gut plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being, and taking care of it is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance in our bodies. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 things you can do to support the health of your gut. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, please hit the bell icon so that you get notified when new content is added. 1. Eat a varied and balanced diet rich in fiber. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are all great sources of fiber, which helps to keep our gut healthy and functioning properly. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining a healthy gut, as it helps to keep things moving and prevents constipation. 3. Get enough exercise. Exercise helps to stimulate the muscles in our gut, which can improve digestion and support a healthy gut microbiome. 4. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly and use clean utensils to prevent the spread of bacteria and other germs. 5. Take probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that can help to balance the bacteria in our gut and support overall gut health. 6. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on our gut health, so it's important to find ways to manage stress and reduce its impact on our bodies. 7. Avoid processed and sugary foods. These types of foods can disrupt the balance of bacteria in our gut and contribute to a range of digestive issues. 8. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining overall health, including the health of our gut. 9. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can irritate the lining of the gut and disrupt the balance of bacteria in our microbiome. 10. Consult with a healthcare professional. If you're experiencing digestive issues or have concerns about your gut health, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you to support the health of your gut and maintain a healthy balance in your body. Keep watching our channel for other great contents to keep you healthy. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.